Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, I got the ink all washed off my fingers as much as I can. And the lock I was talking about that is in my vise here is a Lockwood oval that I got from PickMe 1977 a while back. I won the drawing in his 300th video giveaway, and the Lockwood here was one of the locks that was in it. And thank you, PickMe, for this lock. But this lock has been sitting up in my collection, well, since I got it. When I got it, I tried picking on it a little bit, and I just kept oversetting pin after pin. And yeah, so it's been sitting up there ever since. And well, after watching again, just recently watching Checkmaster 30 open up another Lockwood right out of the package too from PickMe, and he got it open. I decided to pull this lock out again yesterday, and I got it open. And well, I've learned a few things since the first time I tried to open it, and one is you need to use a really heavy tension with these Lockwoods. So I'm going to try to get it open for you again today on camera, and well, we'll open it up and we'll take a look inside, and I get it back in my collection. And this lock works very smooth, and this is the bitting on it. It's got a pretty serious bitting too. So, but we are going to try to get this open, and we will take a peek inside of it. Alright, that should be pretty good. Alright, I think I used my 40 thousandths tension wrenches. This one, I believe. Yeah. And I'm going to be using, I believe, this is, I'm not sure if this is the Tron or the Atala. It's a pretty strong pick. It's kind of deep. Not real deep, but I did get it open with it yesterday, so we're going to see if we can do it again. Alright, pin 3. Alright. Trying to stay on this ledge too. It's got a good slope to it. Kind of like the Slag does on the other side. I'm thinking I already overset a pin. You need to use pretty heavy tension. So let's try that again. I believe this is pin 3, possibly 2. I believe that was 5. Maybe a little click off of 4. Alright. Like I said, we do a lot of oversetting in this lock. Alright, pin 2 or 3, not quite sure. Okay, I think that was pin 6. Back on 1. Okay. Oh, we're open. Alright. I think that was on 6, I do believe. Alright. We got her open. Alright. Let me put this down here. We'll back the camera up a little bit here. We will grab the pinning tray. Alright, we're going to lock this back up. We're going to get the back off here. I believe these locks have a lot of tapered pins. And that's most likely, as a matter of fact, I'm positive, that's why you do a lot of oversetting in these locks. Right, shimming it just to be safe. Okay. Here we go. There's all 6 pins. They're all working, and they're all pretty well below the shear line except for 5. Alright, let's see what we have here. Standard. 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 Standard and a standard. And well, nothing done here, but let me see here. Not sure if these are tapered or not. Yeah, I think they do have a little taper on them on the top. Yep, they are tapered. Oh. That one doesn't really look tapered. That one doesn't really look tapered, but I believe that one did. Alright, well, let's see what we got up here. Standard in 1, and that one is definitely tapered. Standard in 2, tapered. So maybe these are where the tapered pins are. Tapered. Yep, I believe the drivers are the ones that are tapered, I guess. Alright. Yep. Okay, I'm not going to pull the springs. Those are going to be all the same. But we'll have a close-up of these pins. Let's see if I get a little bit closer. We can take a look at the drivers, the tapered drivers. Okay. Alright, I'll leave it there. Yeah, the drivers are, we got all standards, but the drivers here are definitely tapered. So that is why we do a lot of oversetting in these locks. You can see every one of these drivers are tapered. But yeah, alright. We got the LOCKWOOD open. Very cool. Alright guys, yeah, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.